So another important oxidation, so oxidation of phenol. So generally these primary alcohols, why oxidation is taking place? Because of carbon connected to the functional group, that carbon is called alpha group. And now and but whereas the oxidation of phenol at normal, so because why? Because no alpha proton. So that's why, so nevertheless phenol is observed to undergo oxidation even more readily than a primary and secondary alcohol. The product is benzophenone. So sometimes very easily undergoes, even though it doesn't have any alpha position, but you can see, so phenol is there and reaction with Na2Cr2O7 H2SO4, so very highly stable benzoquinone is the product. So that's why. So another one, so for example alkene is then, how can we can convert this ketone? So first we have to do acid hydrolysis followed by oxidation. So and otherwise bromination followed by excess ammonium acetylene, then followed by mercuric acetate. So this is the product. And another examples you can see here, this is the alkyne. So alkyne, by using of palladium and barium sulfate, it is alkyne is converted into the alkene. And then so this one reaction with peroxide, and by using of HBr, so Markovnikov product, and by using of this aqueous alcohol, and it can form a primary alcohol. So we can convert alcohol to alcohol. So these are the stages. Yeah. So to continue on some of the conversions here in this one, so very important students, right? So now you can see now, so it is a primary alcohol. So by using of concentrated sulfuric acid, and we have to so now how to convert this one to this one? So by elimination reaction we can heat the, then alkene will form. So alkene reaction with HBr, the Markovnikov product 1,1 dibromopropane, then by using of excess sodamide NaNH2 followed by hydrolysis, we get the alkyne. So these are the reactions. And so 1-butene to convert, how to convert this one? So 1-butanol. So direct you can convert by Wacker process, carbon monoxide by using of palladium chloride also, or so by using of hydrogen bromide free radical addition reaction by using of peroxide followed by so alkaline hydrolysis, then a PCC reagent we can convert. So here secondary alcohol is there. So directly concentrated sulfuric acid heating undergoes alkene, then hydrogen palladium. So directly you can hydrogenation, alkenes can be converted into alkanes. So this is the, and how to convert this one? 1 2 3. So 3-methyl 2-butanone to this one alkene. So first we have to do the reduction, sodium borohydride and alcohols. So and concentrated sulfuric acid, while heating it undergoes the dehydration of this one. For example here hydrogen is there, so loses one. So what are the very good reducing agent? Lithium borohydride, lithium aluminum hydride, and sodium borohydride, right? So to be continue, for example this is the so 1 2 3 2-methyl propanaldehyde, to how to convert this one to butane. So isobutane, so methanol reduction of alcohols and acid and heating, so it gives the isobutane. So then another one, for example ketone is there, cyclohexanone reaction with the methyl magnesium bromide, it gives the addition product. And so another one you can see now, this is the butanaldehyde Grignard reagent, it gives the secondary alcohols. And ester, very important, this is ester also undergoes excess, but the important condition is that excess Grignard reagent we should use, so it gives the tertiary alcohols. And to continue, for example how to convert, so now this aldehydes to now the extended hydrogen is replaced with alkyl group. First we have to do the alkyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis, then oxidation. So by using of sulfuric acid and acidic medium, so it convert into so now it is a very important reaction. So now it is there, aldehyde is there, the product is there, 2-ethyl is the ketone is there. So now how can following conversion can be possible? So very important, these are the examples for IIT JAM, IIT-G. So first of all we have to react with methyl magnesium bromide followed by, so hydrolysis it gives the alcohols, then oxidation, so it gives the a ketone. So and so some of the examples, and very important, you can see now this is the a terminal alkyne. So first hydroboration oxidation, then followed by methyl magnesium bromide hydrolysis, and followed by oxidation. So we will get this is the product. How to give 1 2 3 4 5. So 2-pentanone is the a product of this reaction, and you can see these are the some important conversions. Thank you.